Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this new video on 3-minute series for Prelims, we'll be discussing about the 6th scheduled areas, also called the tribal areas. Currently, the tribal areas are present in the 4 states under the 6th schedule, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The distinction between the 5th schedule and 6th schedule areas is done mainly for the purpose that the tribes in these 4 states have not mingled with the majority of the population and they still have their ancestral roots in their own culture, customs and civilization. And therefore it is imperative for the government to treat them in a separate fashion so that they can sustain or they can conserve their own culture, traditions and patterns. Therefore, these contains the special provisions for the 4 northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. And these have been designated as tribal areas and they are constituted as autonomous districts and they do not fall outside the executive order of the state concerned. That is, the executive order of the state also applies to these tribal areas and they are not so different in that executive order sense as well. In the case of 5th schedule, the president has been given the designation to declare an area as a scheduled area, whereas governor in these states has been given the power to organize and reorganize the autonomous districts or declare a district as an autonomous district. If there are different tribes in an autonomous district, the governor can divide the districts into several autonomous regions and constitute a committee for the development of those autonomous regions as well. And each autonomous district has a district council consisting of 30 members, of whom 4 are nominated by the governors, while the remaining 26 are elected. The elected members remain in the district council for a term of 5 years, while that of the nominated members are at the pleasure of the governor. The autonomous district council can make laws on specified matters like the land, forest, canal water, shifting cultivation, village administration, inheritance of property, social customs and so on. But all those laws require the assent of the governor before they come into action. And the district and regional councils within their territorial jurisdiction can also constitute village councils or courts for the trial of suits and cases between the tribes. This includes marriage, custom, will, etc. And the jurisdiction of the High Court is declared by the governor. These councils can also make regulations for the control of money lending and trading by non-tribals. But the regulations also require the assent of the governor as well. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements. Kasi Hill District is a tribal area under Assam and North Kachar Hill District is a tribal area under Meghalaya. The correct answer is D, none, as these two have interchange. That is, Kasi Hill District is part of Meghalaya, while as North Kachar Hill District is part of Assam. These two are the tribal areas declared under the 6th schedule. Thank you.